হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, এখানে আমি নিয়ে এসেছি ট্যাট 2 এর জন্য সিডিপি থেকে 50 এমসিকিউ যেগুলো তোমাদের ট্যাট এক্সামের জন্য খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট হতে পারে। ফার্স্ট যে 10টা কোশ্চেন আছে সেগুলো আমাদের পেপার 1 এ চলে আসবে এবং নেক্সট 10টার পরে যেগুলো কোশ্চেন রয়েছে সবগুলোই ট্যাট 2 এর জন্য। তো আস্তে আস্তে আমরা সহজ লেভেল থেকে একটু কঠিন অবস্থায় যাব, কারণ আমাদের এখন ট্যাট 2 এক্সাম কঠিন করতেই পারে। এটা আমরা জানি, কারণ আমরা প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারের কোশ্চেনগুলোও দেখেছি যেগুলো প্রায় অনেকটাই কিছু কঠিন এসেছে। তো চলো আজকে বেশি দেরি না করে আমাদের ভিডিও স্টার্ট করা যাক। তো চলো ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন দেখি আমরা। আমাদের ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন হলো গ্রোথ ইজ অপশন এ কোয়ান্টিটেটিভ, অপশন বি কোয়ালিটেটিভ, অপশন সি সাইকোলজিক্যাল, অপশন ডি মোরাল। আনসার হবে অপশন এ কোয়ান্টিটেটিভ। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, ডেভেলপমেন্ট রেফার্স টু অপশন এ অনলি ফিজিক্যাল চেঞ্জেস, অপশন বি অনলি সাইকোলজিক্যাল চেঞ্জেস, নাকি অপশন সি বোথ গ্রোথ অ্যান্ড ম্যাচুরেশন, নাকি অপশন ডি টেম্পোরারি চেঞ্জেস। আনসার হবে অপশন সি বোথ গ্রোথ অ্যান্ড ম্যাচুরেশন। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, হুইচ ইজ এ ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক অফ ডেভেলপমেন্ট? ইউনিফর্ম ইন অল ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালস, নাকি ডিসকন্টিনিউয়াস, নাকি প্রেডিক্টেবল প্যাটার্ন, নাকি হ্যাপেন্স ওভারনাইট। হুইচ ইজ এ ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক অফ ডেভেলপমেন্ট? আনসার ইজ প্রেডিক্টেবল প্যাটার্ন। Next, fourth question. Physical growth is maximum during infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood. Answer hobe infancy. Next question. The development of language begins in option A infancy, option B early childhood, option C late childhood, naki option D adolescence. Answer hobe infancy. এই হলো the development of language begins in infancy. তারপর সিক্সথ কোশ্চেন, এরিকসনস স্টেজ অফ আইডেন্টিটি ভার্সেস রোল কনফিউশন অকার্স ডিউরিং অপশন এ আর্লি চাইল্ডহুড, অপশন বি লেট চাইল্ডহুড, নাকি অপশন সি এডুলিসেন্স, নাকি অপশন ডি ইনফ্যান্সি। আনসার হবে অপশন সি এডুলিসেন্স। এরিকসনের কি স্টেজ ছিল? আইডেন্টিটি ভার্সেস রোল কনফিউশন। কে করে কি নিয়ে, কি বিষয় নিয়ে? এডুলিসেন্সের বিষয় নিয়ে। নেক্সট, কগনিটিভ ডেভেলপমেন্ট থিওরি ওয়াজ গিভেন বাই এরিকসন, কোলবার্গ, পিয়াজেট নাকি স্কিনার। আনসার হবে পিয়াজেট। Next, the critical period in child development refers to option A period of illness, option B sensitive time for skill development, option C time of punishment, naki option D time when growth stops. Answer hobe sensitive time for skill development. Next, what affects both growth and development? Option A nutrition only, option B heredity and environment, naki option C heredity only, naki option D environment only. Answer hobe B heredity and environment. কি হলো কোশ্চেনটা, হোয়াট এফেক্টস বোথ গ্রোথ অ্যান্ড ডেভেলপমেন্ট? কোন জিনিসটা এফেক্ট করে বোথ গ্রোথকেও এফেক্ট করে এন্ড ডেভেলপমেন্টকেও? সেটা হলো হেরিডিটি অ্যান্ড এনভায়রনমেন্ট। নেক্সট, পিউবার্টি ইজ অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড উইথ হুইচ স্টেজ? পিউবার্টি কোন স্টেজে অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড হয়? অপশন এ ইনফ্যান্সি, অপশন বি আর্লি চাইল্ডহুড, অপশন সি লেট চাইল্ডহুড, নাকি অপশন ডি অ্যাডোলেসেন্স। আনসার হবে অ্যাডোলেসেন্স। নেক্সট 11, ইমোশনাল ইনস্টেবিলিটি ইজ মোস্টলি সিন ইন ইনফ্যান্সি, আর্লি চাইল্ডহুড, নাকি অ্যাডোলেসেন্স, নাকি অ্যাডাল্টহুড। আনসার হবে অ্যাডোলেসেন্স। The ability to reason logically develops in infancy, early childhood, late childhood, naki adolescence. Answer hobe C late childhood. Next question, learning by imitation is common in adolescents, adults, naki young children, naki elderly. Answer hobe C young children. Learning by imitation is common in young children. Next 14th question, maturation is acquired through learning, naki natural unfolding of abilities, naki gained by training, naki given by teacher. Maturation is natural unfolding of abilities. Social development involves learning to read, naki making friends, naki running and jumping, naki growing shy. Answer hobe making friends. Social development involves making friends. Next question, the first step in emotional development is option A happiness, option B trust, naki option C curiosity, naki option D anger. Answer hobe trust. Which is the following is not a stage of development? Infancy, early childhood, oldhood, naki adolescence. Answer hobe not a stage of development. কোন স্টেজটা ডেভেলপমেন্টের না? তো আনসার কি হবে? সি ওল্ডহুড। ঠিক আছে। 18th question, development is influenced by only the school, naki only family, naki multiple factors, naki only friends. Answer hobe multiple factors. Next question, motor development includes problem solving, running and jumping, naki reading, naki speaking. Answer hobe running and jumping. 20 number question, adolescents are concerned with self identity, crawling, speaking first words, naki learning colors. Answer hobe self identity. Adolescents are concerned with self identity. Next, egocentric thinking is seen in infants, adolescents, preschool children, naki adults. Answer ki hobe? Answer hobe C preschool children. Egocentric thinking kar thake preschool children der. Next, late childhood ranges from 0 to 2 years, 2 to 6 years, 6 to 12 years, naki 12 to 18 years. Answer hobe 6 to 12 years. Late childhood. Next, playway method is suitable for adolescents, preschool children, naki adults, naki none? Playway hobe preschool children. Next, which one is an example of fine motor skill? Answer ki hobe walking, jumping, holding a pencil, naki climbing stairs? Answer hobe holding a pencil, which is one of a example of fine motor skill. 25th question, physical development is mainly related to emotions, height and weight, naki language skill, naki memory? Physical development, obviously height and weight. Next question, according to Erikson, the major challenge of adolescence is trust versus mistrust, autonomy versus shame and doubt, naki identity versus role confusion, or initiative versus guilt? Answer hobe initiative versus role confusion. Next, which of the following is an example of child's physical development during early childhood? Answer, option A, learning to talk, learning to walk and run, understanding social norms, naki developing an abstract sense of justice? Answer hobe learning to walk and run. Next question, in which developmental stage do children develop the ability to classify objects and understand conversation? Option A, infancy, option B, early childhood, option C, middle childhood, naki option D, adolescence? Answer hobe option C, middle childhood. Next question, in adolescence, which cognitive skill develops most significantly? Option A, logical thinking, option B, abstract reasoning, option C, basic sensory motor coordination, naki option D, emotional regulation? Answer hobe option B, abstract reasoning. Next question, which of the following is a key feature of moral development during childhood? Option A, ability to make decisions based on emotions, following rules for social approval, rejection of social norms, naki development of abstract reasoning? Answer hobe following rules for social approval. Next question, which of the following best explains why the principle of development is sequential? Option A, every child follows the same pattern of development. Option B, development occurs in specific order but at different rates. Option C, development can happen out of order. Option D, the stages of development are arbitrary. Answer, option B, development occurs in a specific order but at different rates. Which of the following best describes the concept of scaffolding in Vygotsky's theory? Option A, for a form of punishment for misbehavior. Option B, support provided by a teacher or peer to help a child perform a task. Option C, a strategy to suppress cognitive development. Option D, self-regulation during learning. Answer, option B, supported provided by a teacher or peer to help a child perform a task. Question 32. In childhood development, the process of deferred imitation refers to option A, imitating behaviors right away, imitating behaviors after a delay, repeating tasks without understanding, naki imitating only what is spoken? Option answer, imitating behaviors after a delay. In childhood development, the process of deferred definition is imitation behavior after a delay. Which principle suggests that children develop in similar ways but not at the same rate? Option A, development in predictable. Development follows a fixed sequence. Development occurs at different rates. Development is irreversible. Answer, option C, development occurs at different rates. Question 34. Which of the following is a characteristic of the sensory motor stage in Piaget theory? Option A, development of abstract thinking. Option B, object performance. Option C, conservative of mass and volume. Option D, ability to engage in pretend play. Answer, option B, object permanence. The concept of theory of mind refers to a child's ability to option A, understand that others have different thoughts and feelings. Option B, develop a sense of right and wrong. Option C, master complex and cognitive tasks. Option D, understand symbolic play. Answer, understand that others have different thoughts and feelings. Question number 36. Which of the following factors most influences the rate of language development in children? Option A, parental involvement. Option B, hereditary factors alone. Option C, cultural background. Naki option D, school environment only. Answer A, parental involvement. Question number 37. The principle of cultural context in development means that option A, children from different culture develop in exactly the same way. Option B, development is influenced by a child's cultural background and environment. Option C, development happens only in Western societies. Option D, all children develop at the same pace regardless of culture. Answer B, development is influenced by a child's cultural background and environment. Question number 38. Which of the following cognitive abilities begins to emerge during the sensory motor stage? Option A, abstract reasoning. ऑप्शन बी लॉजिकल थिंकिंग, ऑप्शन सी ऑब्जेक्ट পার্মানেন্স, নাকি অপশন ডি হাইপোথেটিক্যাল থিংকিং। আনসার কি হবে? আনসার হবে সি অবজেক্ট পার্মানেন্স। Question number 39. Which stage of development is associated with the development of formal operational thinking as per Piaget? Answer কি হবে? Early childhood নাকি middle childhood নাকি adolescence or adulthood? Answer হবে adolescence. Question number 40. In which developmental stage do children begin to understand the concept of conservation? Option A infancy, option B early childhood, option C middle childhood নাকি option D adolescence? Answer হবে C middle childhood. Question number 41. According to the principle of development, every childhood is option A the same as every other child, option B born with the same abilities and talents, option C unique development developing in their own way and time, option C limited to their genetic makeup. Answer option C unique developing in their own way and time. Question number 42. The term early intervention in child development refers to option A ignoring developmental delays, option B providing extra support when a delay is identified at an early stage, option C allowing a child to develop without any outside help, option D delaying help until late childhood. Answer providing extra support when a delay is identified at an early stage. Next question. Which developmental principle explains why children develop? Development is universal. Option B. Development follows a fixed sequence. Option C. Development occurs at different rates. Option D. Development is always linear. Answer option C. Development occurs at different rates. Next question. In Erickson's theory, the challenge of trust versus mistrust is most associated with which stage? Answer infancy. আমরা জানি এর আগেও এই কোশ্চেনটা আমরা পেয়েছি। Next question. Which of the following is most strongly emphasized in the social development of children? Option A. The ability to solve abstract problems. Option B. The development of social skills and relationships. Option C. Developing a sense of morality. Option D. The ability to recognize facial expressions. Answer option B. The development of social skills and relationships. Next question. Which concept involves the stages in the way children learn based on their interaction with others? Option A. Zone of proximal development. Option B. Learning through in reinforcement. Option C. Classical conditioning. Option D. Theories of moral development. Answer option A. Zone of proximal development. Question number 47. In the context of development, the term maturation refers to the process of gaining knowledge through experience, the biological changes that are largely genetically determined, learning new skills through observation, naki the influence of cultural practices on growth. Answer option B. The biological changes that are largely genetically determined. Question number 48. The development of self-regulation during childhood is closely associated with increased cognitive ability. Option B. Learning to manage emotions and behavior. Option C. Acquiring language. Option D. Understanding abstract concepts. Answer option B. Learning to manage emotions and behavior.